Top 5 Best Beginner Archery Sets. Number 5. Archery Takedown Recurve Bow and Arrow Set. The Archery Takedown Recurve Bow and Arrow Set is an excellent choice for beginners who appreciate the versatility of a takedown bow. Takedown bows are known for their ease of transport and storage, making them suitable for archers who want to practice in various locations. This set features a 62-inch takedown recurve bow with a draw weight range of 20 to 60 pounds. The wide draw weight range accommodates beginners looking for a lower draw weight to start and progress to higher weights as their strength and skill develop. The package includes a bow, a bowstring, an arm guard, a finger tab, a bow sight, and 6 arrows with field points. The included accessories ensure that beginners have everything they need to start their archery journey with confidence. Coming in number 4. Dan-Q Hunting Bow and Arrow for Adults. If you're a beginner with aspirations of hunting, the Dan-Q Hunting Bow and Arrow set for adults is an excellent option. This kit is designed for those who want to transition from target shooting to hunting while still being beginner-friendly. The bow in this set is a recurve bow with a draw weight of 40 pounds, making it suitable for various game animals. It features a takedown design, allowing for easy assembly and disassembly in the field. The set includes a bow, 6 fiberglass arrows with field points, an arm guard, a finger tab, a quiver, and a sight pin. The included accessories are specifically chosen to cater to the needs of aspiring hunters, helping them practice and prepare for real-world hunting scenarios. Coming in number 3. Dan-Q 58 inches Archery Recurve Bow and Arrow Set. For those beginners who prefer the classic feel of a recurve bow, the Dan-Q 58 inches Archery Recurve Bow and Arrow Set is an excellent choice. Recurve bows are known for their simplicity and elegance, making them ideal for beginners who want to focus on developing proper shooting form and technique. This set includes a 58-inch takedown recurve bow made from durable and lightweight materials, making it easy to handle and transport. The draw weight options range from 30 to 50 pounds, allowing beginners to select a suitable level of power for their needs. The package also includes a bow sight, arm guard, finger tab, stringer tool, and 6 wooden arrows, providing everything needed to get started in archery. Coming in number 2. SAS Siege 55 pounds 29 inches Compound Bow. The SAS Siege 55 pounds compound bow is another excellent option for beginners who are interested in compound archery. This bow is designed for both right-handed and left-handed archers, offering versatility for a wide range of users. It boasts a draw weight of 55 pounds, which is suitable for various shooting styles and purposes, including target shooting and hunting. One of the standout features of the SAS Siege is its adjustable draw length, which ranges from 25 inches to 29 inches. This adjustability allows beginners to find their comfortable draw length as they progress in their archery skills. The package includes a 3-pin sight, an arrow rest, a stabilizer, a bow sling, and a peep sight, all of which are essential for enhancing accuracy and performance. Coming in number 1. Genesis Original Kit. The Genesis Original Kit is a fantastic choice for beginners looking to start their archery journey. What sets this kit apart is its versatility, making it suitable for archers of all ages and skill levels. It features the Genesis Original Compound Bow, which has a unique design that eliminates let-off and specific draw lengths, allowing users to adjust the draw length according to their comfort. This feature is especially helpful for beginners as it reduces the need for constant adjustments and allows for a smooth learning curve. The kit includes not only the Genesis Original Bow but also essential accessories like an adjustable arm guard, a belt tube quiver, 5 aluminum arrows, and a 3/16-inch hex wrench. The aluminum arrows provided with the kit are lightweight and durable, making them ideal for practice and target shooting. Additionally, the adjustable arm guard helps protect the archer's forearm from string slap, ensuring a comfortable and safe shooting experience.